everyone, welcome back to the AriZona Enthusiast channel. Today we have another great unboxing from this small package right here. Obtains a AriZona tractor trailer truck, like one that would be used for shipping the goods to large distributors or large retail stores. I really had no idea that they made these. Like I couldn't find any record of it, except I found one on eBay. So eBay is a great place for me to get AriZona stuff. So let's get right into this. Today we are joined by my lovely cat Riley. Come on. She is very adorable. I love her. She will be chilling. So, I hope that this thing is in good condition. I highly doubt that someone would actually play with this thing because it is so cool. Hey, I like the box. I do too. Alright. First off, we got some packaging, bubble wrap, which is nice. So you know that they care about the product here. Alright. We got two pieces. I'm assuming this is the actual truck and then this is the trailer. Two pieces. Let's get into the trailer first. Alright. Cleaning yourself. I see. Oh, that is nice. Oh my gosh. It is all metal. The wheels are plastic. Actually, they have little rubber wheels, so that's nice. They're not annoying plastic ones. That's so cool. It has a price tag of $27.50 on it. This must have been like a thrift shop or something. Oh my gosh, imagine finding this at that. AriZona 100% natural green tea right there. Green tea on the back, 0 calorie in the middle. Yep, and 2 green teas on this side. Obviously in the bottle form. That's really cool. The whole thing is just a whole green tea can. I didn't really look at this thing that much because I just wanted to see what it was going to look like in person. Alright, now on to the truck portion. This is crazy that they made this. Oh, it's so cool. Little AriZona truck. Not too much detail on it. I wish there was a little more. It's got no license plate on it or anything. This is international on it. I don't know what that means. Has any significance. It just has the AriZona on the side and green, you know, the teal green color for the green tea can. It is lighter than a normal green tea can would look. That's alright. And there's the whole thing right there. Nice little setup. It doesn't, I don't think it locks in place. No, it doesn't lock. That's alright though. Yeah, no. It's got little stops for one of the trailers on its own. It's cool. And it's the same rubber wheels. I love how they like detailed in the wheels there. They made it, they made depth, and it seems a decent like structure. Like it's not like anything really crappy. It's all metal, which is really nice. Because if this thing was plastic, it wouldn't look as good because of the finish, and it wouldn't last that long too. So there it is again, the truck. It's so freaking awesome. I love getting these random things from AriZona. Like, this is random stuff that makes this company unique, and that's why I like them so much. They make absolutely everything. Like, really, they make trucks, little toys. So with that, have a nice day, and thank you for watching.